Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy, you're on camera. You're on camera. I got them on camera because they're eating. They got their Cheerios. And they've both been pulling them out and eating them. Let's see if they'll still do it. Ooh. There we go. We're turning into big peoples. We like to eat big people food. I think she's got a Cheerio in that fist. Are you happy, girl? You happy, girl? Come on, kids, eat your Cheerios. He's eaten a couple. She hasn't really, though.
So she ate 2 fistfuls.
Yeah. Here we go. Go for some more Cheerios. Show us what you can do, little lady. So excited. Same.